Harry Jacobs Chamber Music Society welcomes Trio Terzetto to the Augusta State University Maxwell Performing Arts Theater, Friday, February 25th. Performance time is 7:30. Tickets may be purchased online or at the Augusta State University Theater box office. For more information, please call or look us up online. Harry Jacobs Chamber Music Society, bringing world-class performance to Augusta.